Happy Saturday, you guys. Today I will be walking you through some quick, easy, and very thoughtful gift basket ideas for anybody in your life. I like to go to my local Goodwill and see what type of baskets they have available on hand because they typically have good pricing and a wide variety to choose from. This first gift basket is for one of my dear friends, and I just want to kind of relax and reset her for 2020. I wanted to pick her up some Palo Alto, sage, a crystal, and bath bombs that she can use to completely reset her mind and body. And then I wanted her to get a little bit more organized and stay inspired throughout the year. So I got her everything in a blue tone since that is her favorite color. I picked up a planner that had inspirational quotes and stickers and just like very easy layout to read and overall just like step back and get a good look at your month and your day to day. And then a reusable water bottle and a candle that I think will just add a good calmness while she's planning her new year. To floof up your basket to make it look a little bit more larger than life than it may be, add some tissue paper to the bottom of your basket and then add paper shreds on top of it prior to adding your items. That way it just lifts it up and brings everything to the surface and makes it look, way more appealing. This basket cost me roughly $44, but it's something that she can use legitimately throughout the entire year. I mean, if she savors those bath bombs. This basket I did not thrift since I needed a larger one and they didn't have it available. I picked it up at Michael's for half off and I removed the ribbon because we're going to be replacing that with a colorway that matches my aesthetic. I also spray painted the basket black instead of brown. I just thought it would make everything pop a little bit more. Now, I did partner up with my friends over at Parachute Home because I wanted to incorporate their products into a very special gift basket for my sister and her boyfriend. Parachute makes quality bedding, bath, and home essentials that help make a house feel like a home. They believe in when we take care of our home, it takes care of us, which you guys know I am all about. All their products are built to last and crafted without any harmful chemicals or synthetic softeners. They're also designed in Los Angeles and use the finest materials. These things are insanely soft, so I picked up a two-tone towel package for myself. You know I'm all about that attention to detail, and every stitch, fold, finish, and hue is obsessed over and designed with a clean, modern aesthetic via Parachute. They also have this gift guide that I linked below for you of home essentials that has something for everybody this holiday season. Whether you're a homebody, world traveler, spa lover, or night owl, I am gifting it to my sister and her boyfriend because they are homebodies, and I thought it'd be fun to create a gift for the both of them to just relax. I picked up the classic robe and bath mat to go the other half of their gift, but right now you could head over to parachutehome.com/Metz and get free shipping on all U.S. orders. Again, that's parachutehome.com/Metz for free shipping on all U.S. orders. And with Parachute's naturally soft fibers with a focus on creating impeccable home essentials, this robe is so comfortable. I wanted to keep it for myself. I'm interested to see who actually fights and wins it since I'm only gifting them one. For the other half of the gift, I decided to replace the ribbon with a black and white plaid and then keep the same basket lining that came with it. I filled that up with the tissue paper trick and paper shreds before I completely unleashed all of my favorite skincare products. My sister recently divulged how much she and John loved this line, so I decided to go a little bit overboard, and I was actually gifted this product from my friend Annie with her skincare line when I redid her pink patio makeover. You guys might remember it. So I only spent roughly $25 for this entire gift bundle thanks to my friends over at Parachute and Annie paying me in skincare product because I was able to gift it to the people that I love the most. For this gift basket, it's for a friend that is a night owl, has anxiety, and just really can't sleep, and I really wanted to help where I could. So I decided instead of tissue paper to purchase a super soft and cozy blanket to help maybe just settle in and relax. I then bought 2 mugs from Home Goods that say, "You've got this, Queen," and put those in there and we'll explain in 2 seconds why. I also decided to add a candle that hopefully soothes him and some CBD honey sticks that I personally use in my tea that may also contribute him to just relaxing, and Palo Alto to cleanse his space. Now you're thinking, why do you have the mugs? Well, that's because I decided to put some dry ingredients for mug cakes because he loves mug cakes, to give him a little bit of a Netflix and chill basket, but a Netflix and chill with sleep, like relax and go to bed. Last but not least, probably my personal favorite, because I'm a wine and cheese lover and I have a lot of wine and cheese lovers in my life. So I thought this was perfect. Grab a basket, their favorite bottle of wine, add some tissue paper to the bottom in your shreds. I did some cheese, like charcuterie, how do you say that? Whatever, those type of utensils, and some copper dipped wine glasses that I purchased from Home Goods, alongside a little copper accented Enjoy wine stopper. I do want to DIY a cutting board. I just haven't done one that I really love yet. So all in all, this one cost me roughly $50. And obviously these gift basket ideas don't have to be just holiday season. I wanted to give you some inspiration for all year long by like diving deep versus buying one present. You can get a little bit of curation going and create an individual and unique one-of-a-kind gift basket for the human you love. I'll see you soon for another DIY.